are foreigners coming to integrate in the country. And in fact, Sheikh Fahad, in his introductory speech just now, he mentioned this, that this is their country and they are expecting from us something. No. This is their country as well as it is what? As it is what? Our country. It is the country of both Muslims and non-Muslims. So this is the first premise. So if we want to say that we need to integrate in the society needs to integrate into us because we are part of the society. Clear? Is that clear? So integration has to be qualified. What does it really mean? I'm not talking about assimilation. I'm talking about integration. There is nothing called the society and us. We are part of the society.
But Sheikh, if I may comment, I think all of us would agree on this point.
No, Habibi, you did not agree on it.
No.
Because in the beginning, Fahad,
I agree
don't
with Sheikh.
start a fight. Otherwise, I'm ready. And mashallah, Sheikh Yusha Evans, he had a black belt.
I'll tag team with Sheikh Siraj.
Don't start a fight. See, there is a theoretical belief that yes, this is our country. And there is a real belief. I want the brothers and sisters to start any discussion on equal foot. Yes, if the word they is correct, no one has superiority over me. We are all equal citizens. Yes, they are the majority, maybe. There is nothing called the society and I. We are the society. Yes, from one perspective, there is they and us as Muslims and non-Muslims. But from the other perspective, all of us, we live in this country and we share in this country. So that is the first premise to be established in order to talk about integration.